Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best portable workbenches that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WORX Pegasus MultiFunction work table. If you're looking for a workhorse in the industry, this is the perfect option for you. It has adequate weight carrying capacity of 300 pounds. With the help of sawhorse, it can support 1,000 pounds. This ensures that you can use it for a wide variety of different projects without any issues. Moreover, it consists of 2 quick clamps. In addition to that, there are 4 clamp dogs. This means that whenever you're working on any workpiece, you will not have to worry about securing it. You will have plenty of options to secure it without any issues. There are quite a few storage options for your hardware tools as well. This means that whenever it is in use, you will not have to worry about using a separate stand. All in all, if you're looking for multi-purpose portable workbench, this is certainly the best option for you. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kreg KWS 1000 Mobile Project Center. When you're looking for a versatile portable workbench, you will find that this one is a good option for you. It provides you with different work surface which can be used for a wide variety of different projects. Also, it can be folded pretty easily. When folded, it is extremely compact, which ensures that you will be able to store it quite easily. There are plenty of holes on the work surface to store your accessories. This means that you will not have to buy a separate stand for the accessories. There are also trays for various type of hardware parts which you will normally use when working on a project. Thus, you do not have to worry about lost tools or lost hardware parts. It has a bench clamp which can be auto-adjusted. This helps you in securing the workpiece more easily. At number 3, we have the Keter Folding Compact Workbench with the load carrying capacity of 1,000 pounds. You cannot complain about this particular workbench. It is simply a heavy-duty workbench which you can always use. It consists of 2 different clamps which are of 12 inches. This means that irrespective of the type of object which you are working on, you will be able to clamp it pretty securely. Also, when you look at the opening of the device, you will realize that the opening mechanism is pretty different as well. The heavy-duty architecture ensures that it can carry high loads quite easily. Moreover, you can be sure that you will be able to fold it when needed as well. This is another advantage of this particular workbench. At number 2, we have the Black & Decker WM125 Workmate. This is another minimalistic workbench which you can opt for. Minimalistic, however, does not mean that it cannot carry weight. It can easily handle up to 350 pounds. When it comes to a portable workbench, you have to make sure that it is minimalistic. This ensures that you can use it easily and fold it up as well. Most of the workbenches which have minimalistic architecture are often easy to carry as well. Moreover, they can be folded easily. This workbench consists of non-skid feet. Also, the frame is made of steel. This makes it easier for you to carry it around and stabilize it when you're working on it. Also, when you're folding it, it becomes completely flat, which ensures that you will not have any kind of problems when you're carrying it along with you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Black & Decker WM225A Portable Project Center, the next workbench on our list, again from Black & Decker. This one has a load carrying capacity of 450 pounds. Also, the jaws are adjustable, which make it easier for you to work on any kind of project without any issues. Moreover, the workbench is pretty versatile. It can double up as a sawhorse or a stand for the bench tools or even a vise. It has 4 different vise attachments. This makes it easier for you to use it for various kind of projects. Moreover, when not in use, you can easily fold it and stash it away. This ensures that you are able to use the work floor for a variety of other purposes without any issues. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.